Hello everyone, my name is Shark and welcome back to another episode of the Backrooms with Mr. Romanian himself. How you doing there?
Pretty good. What?
Alright, can you tell me a little bit about this level?
Do not touch the windows. That's it.
Nothing happened.
Flashlight for you.
Nothing happened. Nothing happened. You just pooped out a flashlight.
I sure did. Just for you.
So is this like an office building of some sort or like...
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Very empty though.
Hey, Han. Hey, Han. Look. God damn it. I was gonna do a joke, but I had to sneeze. Hey, Han, look. Coronavirus. How come you're getting all the good stuff?
Because I'm going first.
Hub.
Oop. Alright, back
So
to
what
Meg.
room did we... Oh, Meg. Really?
Yeah. We have to open another gate. I think. I don't know.
Oh, fuck.
I think.
What the fuck are these computers? Like, here's the thing I'm, like, having, like, a hard time scratching my head about. Is that they're able to, like, look into the backrooms, right? Which is a completely different dimension, basically, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they have these crappy computers, like, excuse me?
Yeah. Pretty much.
How does that make any sense?
It just does.
No, it doesn't make any sense.
No, it just does.
How?
Government.
Who says the N in government?
Normal people.
Who says the N? You don't... Wait, is it government?
Government.
I thought it wasn't... no. Hold up. Let me look this up.
Government. Ain't no way
Who
you're
fuck
saying
says
government.
N? No, you said government.
Government. Yes.
No, you say government.
Government.
Fuck, you do say the N. Oh my god.
Government.
Government.
Oh, supplies. Hella supplies. Hello.
This is a fucking...
Ah,
Wait,
yes.
what?
Ah, yes. I know what to do here.
What?
Move. Move!
You can get a tape. You can get a fucking chair vending. Fuck it, chair vending machine.
I just did a puzzle and it completely went over your head. I hope you know that.
I was laughing over the fact that there's a fucking chair vending machine. It's so dumb.
It completely went over your fucking head. Here's an energy bar. Come get it. I have 3. I don't need more. It's Chef Mike.
What?
Chef Mike.
What do you mean, Chef Mike?
Microwave.
Oh, are you referring to that one guy that cooks in his microwave and he's like really depressed because I think his wife died or something?
What are
You know
you
that guy?
talking about? No, I don't know that guy. Are
You don't know
you're just
that?
making this up.
No, I'm not. I'm sending you this right now.
Okay.
What is this? What?
Another puzzle.
Oh, I thought this was like
So
danger.
we have to make it past cameras without being detected, basically.
What happens if we're detected?
We can't progress.
We die.
We don't die, but we can't progress.
El Mindo.
I got a crowbar. Oh my god, Half-Life.
What? Where'd you get a crowbar? Go get your crowbar. Fucking Gmod.
Wait.
Bro,
wait,
you
come
just did a whole ass
come back,
Gmod.
come back. Look at this though.
What? Yeah, I went up there and I'm like, oh, I guess this is nothing.
Are you sure?
No, I saw you going
Oh,
into a different.
hello.
Oh, okay, this is a new area then. What?
It's the
Oh, I
hotel.
remember reading. I remember reading something about this. Fuck. Why do we need bug spray?
Or bugs.
Why is there bugs?
Bugs.
Why is there bugs?
Bugs. Death moths, bro.
I'll... Why? Why?
Because
What do you mean because?
there's because.
What do you mean? Yeah, did we... Oh yeah, now they're all turned off.
Child.
That one,
And
and
then
then this one,
That guy.
and then you do the other one. You got it?
Uh-huh.
And then this one.
Boom.
Oh my god! Guys, this is why you need to have smart friends if you're brain dead. There's 3 locks.
Oh yeah, this level's very long. For your information.
How long?
Look, moths. Don't touch them. They will kill you very fast.
They look pretty.
They are pretty, but they're very deadly.
You gotta admire nature's deadliest creatures.
No, I don't want to do that. Take it. Take
I don't have
the
any more
water.
inventory. How is my sanity is killing me?
Oh yeah, right. Because this level, yeah, we gotta hurry the fuck up, dude. This level like
Why?
destroys your sanity.
Why?
Because hotel moth. Moth
No,
jelly.
What the fuck was that? Moth jelly?
Dog.
What the fuck does moth jelly do?
I don't remember.
How do you not remember? You literally study this shit like in your free time.
You know.
What do you mean, you know? I brought you along here because you're the Backrooms fanatic.
It's been a while.
What do you mean it's been a while?
It has been a while. If you feed
It's
them,
been a
they will
while.
reward you.
What? This?
What am I supposed to feed you?
Moth jelly?
I guess. Cannot open it. What does that say?
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken.
Chicken. Mom made chicken.
Do the funny. Oh, juice.
Oh shit.
Alright, let's feed the beast.
Hold up. I gotta have a free slot. I'm like loaded on almond bars.
Okay,
and
I'll
shit.
take him.
I got it.
No, you don't. I got it.
No, I got it.
No.
Wait, did we just do a duplication glitch?
Do you have one?
Yes.
Aw,
Wait, place
no
one
way.
down. Place it down. Place it down.
Ain't no way we just duped
I
that
still
shit.
have.
Ain't no way we just duped that shit. Oh my god, okay.
There's a dupe. We can. So we can duplicate like almond
We
water
can
and
duplicate
fucking.
items. Another key.
Wait.
Do the thing.
Scoozy.
No way, dude! No way! That is so sick. Oh.
Wait, theoretically, right?
Hello?
We could head back down to the other level to get more almond water, correct?
Nice. Oh.
Yeah,
oh,
I don't.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
There's.
What you gotta tell
there's
me now,
funny
huh?
boys here. There's funny boys here.
The fuck do you
Funny
mean?
boys. Funny boys. Like you
What-
know
do I need
the
to
guy that
speak-
chases you.
Yeah, all of them do.
I forgot what you call him, man. Fucking. Oh, that was a smiler
Where?
in the picture.
Oh. Was it a real smiler?
I hope not. It's fine. He's not chasing.
What?
He's not chasing.
Oh my god, I'm going insane.
I'm going schizo.
Why'd you sound like Shaggy? Like going Scoob. I'm going schizophrenia.
Oh, I got a letter. I got a letter O.
Reggie.
No. Fuck. God damn. I had so much shit. Run, fucking book it. He's behind you.
I think I can tell, man.
He's coming. Get into a room and go in the closet. You're okay. You're okay.
How did you die? You're trash. I'm kidding.
Dude, I tried to do like an evasion tactic. He went to the right, by the way.
I tried to commit tax evasion.
It didn't work. Fucking run. No, 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 no.
There's a dog as well! There's a dog as well!
Oh, sick. Nice. No, don't get too close. Hello? Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm too good, man. Too good. I'm just too loose, you know? Too juicy, you know? You know what I'm saying, my guy?
That's what I'm saying.
No, he's a... Bruh. Why would you go in the direction that he went?
I don't know my lefts and rights, okay, man?
I can tell.
I don't know
Close
what
the
they
doors
are.
behind you. When you can.
Okay. You want to know what just happened now? You really want to know what happened? No, 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 no. That's not the reason why. What actually happened was, right, my F key stuck to my keyboard and was through a continuous open and closing phase. So my keyboard fucked me.
Oh look, we need a...
How did you get a fucking flashlight?
It was on the table. Oh, there's a lock combination. There's a number combination on this bitch.
Run. Run, run, run. I just heard him. Run, run.
Calm down.
Okay. Can I ask you something?
What?
I'm just asking because I just don't know what I'm doing. The room that has the lock on it and spawn doesn't have a lock on anymore.
Really?
Yeah. It just... Is that normal?
No, but we'll take it.
Okay.
What?
Wait, what? I don't know if that was supposed to happen.
Thermometers.
Thermometer? What do those do? What's that?
That's to stop the monster. The monsters.
Why did you have to use plural? Moth. I don't have moth spray.
It's fine. There's bigger moths out here. Like big
The
ones.
fuck do you mean? What do you mean?
Like big boys
I
on
beg
the
your pardon?
walls.
What do you mean, big boys? There's
Big
mutated fucking
mutated
seismic
moths on the walls.
Australian moths, you're telling me?
Yeah.
That caliber of fucking moths?
Yep.
Why?
Because welcome
That's
to the Backrooms.
terrible. Oh, then my thing just glitched. No, if you get close to the wall, it's 726 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let me know if you survive the encounter. Oh yeah, nice. He went back. He went back. Yeah, so basically you have to juke them into the bug spray.
That is nasty.
Yep.
Ew. Wait, to the valve thing?
Mm-hmm. You have to juke them to the valve. Also, do not go in there. Oh, okay, well, I'm dead. Dude, I gotta make some sandwiches.
Wait, in real life?
Yeah. Yeah, in game. Yeah, yeah. Sandwiches in the back rooms. Luxury.
Sandwiches.
Sandwich.
Ew.
Why? What are you doing?
Well, I'm supposed to go in there, right?
Sure.
I fucked it up, didn't I?
Yes, you did. Oh, you juked him.
I fucked it up,
juked him.
didn't I?
Go, go, go. Turn the valve. Yeah. It's okay, he's going to his thing.
Oh, you fuck.
Is there not another one?
Holy shit!
My god, dude.
I couldn't see anything. I'm sorry. I'm legally blind. Something chasing us?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh! Oh! Oh my! Wait. Oh, okay, dead. Yeah!
I know this level way too well. I know this level very well. Do you wanna just come with me for a sec? Okay?
What?
Please. I'll show you something
Okay.
amazing. Oh yeah,
All
also,
right.
you should like totally not look at what this is and just drink it.
With the music and what you just told me to do, I don't think I will.
Okay, that's fine. Come with me.
But it looks good though at the same time. Like it looks like it's like raspberry flavored. Is like liquid pain like an energy drink?
Yeah.
Alright. So stamina?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get ready to run.
I don't recommend doing that.
No, I'm gonna get ready to run.
I don't recommend doing that.
What happened? What's happening?
What do you mean, what's happening?
What's happening?
You died.
Why did I die? Why did...
The fuck?
Did it kill me? Unfortunately, this is all the time that I do have for today's episode, of course. I thought it was pretty good. I hated the boiler level. Oh my god, it was terrible. But other than that, I think we got a lot of levels done so far. I'm very happy. But anyways, other than that, thank everybody for watching today's episode. Be sure to check the links in the description, of course. My Discord is there. You can go take a look at that. And other than that, thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you guys all later.